And that's how you make money in your sleep selling Notion templates. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Notion templates like these and how to sell them without any effort at all. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make even more money selling digital products. But it won't make sense unless you've watched the video the whole way through. I like upfront conclusions, so here's what you do. You make a template in Notion like this. You create some nice mock-ups of this template, showcasing the features of the template. You have to list it on Etsy properly, and then Etsy uses its huge marketing budget to find customers who want to buy your template. I've been selling Notion templates on Etsy this month, and it's made me £223. Now, this may not seem like a lot of money, but it took me about 2 hours to make and list on Etsy. In the UK, a junior doctor earns around £19 per hour. Selling Notion templates, I've made over £100 per hour, so it is worth your time, trust me. And the more people who buy it, the higher the product will get bumped up the Etsy rankings, which will lead to more sales. And as long as there's a market for templates, it will keep selling. And I don't have to touch it at all because the work's already been done. There aren't many Notion templates on Etsy at the moment, and there's really an opportunity for you to make a lot of money if you can make some specific ones for nutritionists. As they say, the riches are in the niches, or niches if you're in the UK, and the competition is low. So get in early and you could make some decent passive income. If you are completely new to Notion, the best way to learn it is to probably just go on YouTube. Notion's website itself has a load of templates that you can download for free, or you can even buy some on Etsy just to have a play around with. You could see this as market research maybe. They usually cost less than £10, so it's worth having a go just to see what it's like to buy one. And if you use Notion regularly already, and you can make the templates look nice, you've got a really good side hustle on your hands. If you have a big social media following, you could promote your Notion templates to them. However, if you're like me and you don't have an audience, and you don't want to constantly spam your friends or family with buy my Notion template on your Instagram stories or tweet about it, then you're going to want to use Etsy, because Etsy uses its massive marketing budget to bring new eyeballs to your product every day, and you don't have to annoy any of your families trying to promote your product. Etsy help find ideal buyers for your template. So how do we actually sell a Notion template on Etsy? Well, step one, you have to come up with a good idea for a template. This could be a meal planner, a social media manager, a personal planner, a financial planner, a life planner, a student hub, a second brain system, a content creator hub, an all-in-one travel dashboard, or maybe something like a getting things done template. Now, the problem with all of these ideas is that they are super competitive, and the top templates on Etsy are currently making over 15 grand per year. But you only need to make a couple of hundred extra pounds per month from your side hustle to start massively improving your life. £200 or £300 will probably cover most people's bills. You could use this money to save for a deposit. This could sort out all of your Christmas presents. £200 or £300, maybe up to £500 extra per month would change a lot of people's lives quite dramatically. And there's definitely a market for nutritionists, wellness coaches, online fitness coaches, and personal trainers who want to organise all of their business management stuff and content in one place. I've got one ready here. It's a nutrition dashboard. Nutritionists are usually overwhelmed with information. They have to manage the business side of things, and they have to manage the academic side of things as well. They often work in multiple organisations, which means they're quickly switching between two different companies, switching between different clients, and they're switching between all sorts of information. And to actually sell this template, you need to share it as a Notion template at the top right hand corner of the page. This gives you a link that you can share, and it will allow people to duplicate the template and use themselves. This link is actually then hyperlinked to a PDF, which is what you will upload to Etsy, and that is your digital product. Basically a PDF which has a link in there that you can access the Notion template from. You also want to make some nice mock-ups to make the template look good. Here are a few examples of my mock-ups that I've made for my Notion templates. I use a website called smartmockups.com. It's really useful. The next stage is then to list it on Etsy. Now, I can't possibly go into all the details on how to list things on Etsy properly, but stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you where you can find out how to do this properly, because getting this wrong means you will not get any sales. This is the most important part of all of this. If the product is listed wrong on Etsy, you will not make any sales in your sleep because your product will not be seen. And once listed, if you've done everything right, it will appear in the search, and if it's a good and useful template, people will want to buy it and use it because it will save them a lot of time because they won't have to make it themselves. And you'll start to make sales without having to do anything. Etsy will do all of the hard work for you, bringing in new eyeballs. Usually, if a product will save people time or help them to make money, it's a no-brainer to purchase and people will buy it. And that's how you make money in your sleep, selling Notion templates without an audience, without much time, and without much skill needed really either. Now, Notion templates are making me a bit of money on Etsy right now, but Canva templates are making me much more. I've made over 2.5 grand selling a 34-page Canva nutrition guide. This guide is brandable, so online coaches can put their logo on it and use it with their clients. And if you have a degree in nutrition, you've probably got loads of content on your laptop right now, and this content can be used to create some amazing digital products that people will buy. And all of this money can come in your sleep if you list it on Etsy. You don't have to worry about promoting it on social media or having a following at all. You don't have to deal with clients, and you can just focus on the other tasks that you have in your life. And if this sounds like something you want to do, but you don't know where to start, you're going to need to watch this video here.